How's it going, Spartans? This is Miss Saffron, one of the AP Human Geography teachers. I hope that you are having a safe and healthy extended spring break. As we go into online learning starting on Monday, March 23rd, I wanted to give you a little video on where to find those online learning resources. Luckily, being an AP student, we've been doing online learning actually all year, as well as face-to-face learning. So none of this should be new to you. But the only difference is this time you're going to be fully responsible in doing everything on your own. So those of y'all that like to procrastinate, this is not the time to procrastinate. I would definitely make sure you're on your A game as far as keeping up with the assignments. We did cut down quite a bit just to give you what you need for the AP test. As of right now, assume you are taking the AP test on May 5th. That is our end goal. That is what we are achieving. And so that is what everything that we're doing during these weeks. And then hopefully when we see you again in the classroom, what we'll continue to pursue. All right, so let's get to where you find the online learning. So the first thing you want to go to is your calendar. So if you click on the calendar on your left side, which many of y'all know, the calendar is life in AP classes, you'll see that we adjusted the calendar. So you'll see that there is a spring break part 2, and then we adjusted what you need it for the next couple weeks through April 13th. So you'll see on the 23rd, your first assignment is special topics, Nearpod videos, and then a quick write. And then on the 24th, you have Technopolls, Nearpod, and then so on and so on. Instead of doing a unit test for this unit, we are going to have you do the AP Classroom progress check. For industry, it is Unit 7 for AP, but it is Unit 6 for us. So just don't get that confused. Make sure you follow the links. Make sure you follow the instructions. But you're going to do the progress check just to kind of see where you're at in this unit. And then the Woodbook Unit 6 quiz, which is in the normal module that we have. And then, yes, you are going to write an FRQ, but you're going to type it in a discussion board, which I know y'all are all so excited to continue to do. I know y'all have missed FRQ so much. And then you have some due dates. I did open up the industry videos for those of y'all that missed the original due date because everything got a little crazy with what's going on in the world right now, which I hope that y'all recognize that there's a lot of AP human concepts flying around on the news right now. So y'all should be the experts when it comes to this kind of stuff. All right, so that's the calendar. It is updated for you online. Of course, we don't forget about reading our textbook. If you forgot your textbook at school, find a copy of the Woodbook. Reading something is better than reading nothing. If you don't have a copy of the Woodbook, find it from a friend. Maybe they can take pictures of the pages. If you still can't get a copy of the Woodbook, please let me know and I will send you pictures of my copy when I get it tomorrow at school. All right, so where to find what you need to do starting next week. If you go to your dashboard, you're going to go to courses. So you're going to find your AP course. And you're going to go to modules on the left side. And in your AP course, you will still be able to get onto textbook. If you can access that, that's awesome. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll find week 1. This is industrialization, development, online learning. So this is everything that you need to do for next week. And it is in order of how you need to do it. Word of advice, I would not try to get too far ahead. We are only going to have portions of the module open throughout the week. So towards the end of next week, we'll open up the following week's module. We just don't want y'all to get so far ahead that then you forget when we finally see y'all again. Because it's not a race, it's about learning the material and knowing how to apply it. Okay, again, when you do the progress check, make sure that you're doing Unit 7. This is just the link to get signed on. But right now that progress check is wide open so that you can go in and do it. And then again, the Woodbook quiz is in the normal module for this unit, which is right above it with all of the videos. Okay. I did also go ahead and put the Quizlet practice link up there. That way you can go back and practice the vocabulary words unless you're using it in your daily language or daily conversations, you probably need a little bit more practice, especially with development and industry. It is one of the harder units this semester. So this is where you find everything that you need. If you need to go back and look at anything for the modules, you can go and look at some of the resources. You can go back and look at any of the videos. Those are there for you as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email your teacher, send us a message through Canvas, send us an email. Mr. Kenny and I are both here to help all of the AP students, so we don't have to be your teacher to help you out. But again, you're responsible for doing this work on your own. So don't wait until last minute to do it all. Assume everything is going in the gradebook. And hopefully we will see you again on April 13th. Please stay safe, healthy, and make smart choices out there. Bye.